I want everyone to go check out the new merch on my Instagram at nhc.snipe. So we're making the first NXT Snipe t-shirts. This is the whole experience, and y'all see how we doing it. A little vlog action. But, alright, so we already got the design right there. This is what we already made. But we could make the NXT we use with my old t-shirts. Just to show y'all like how we're doing it. It's cutting it right now. You see the circle? It's already starting the circle. And after that, we use the iron on. You know, do a little process. It's time. Y'all see it?
Pause it and then I'll show you. If it wasn't the color white, this side would be a different color.
WXC. So what we finna do is put this on the back of this. So it's gonna be like, you know, yeah. I'm finna clean this shirt to get all the stuff off of, and after that, we finna show y'all the process.
I got these drugs in my system and I'm still trying to take the pain away. Pain for me, I don't need nobody trying to change my ways. Stuck in this phase, I'm dying slowly trying to count my days. And if I don't change, that's my fault. The time I died, it ain't arresting me, a felony. All my niggas rest in peace, remember me. I got these drugs in my system and I'm still trying to take the pain away. Pain for me, I don't need nobody trying to change my ways. Stuck in this phase, I'm dying slowly trying to count my days. And if I don't change, that's my fault. The time I died, it ain't arresting me, a felony. All my niggas rest in peace, remember me.